Morning. So, here we go. Talked about this once before in the video where I'm not going to use the old camp stove that I was using, and I got this Kofa yard, or however you would pronounce that. And I think it's going to be a little more efficient for me to use. And of course, it uses these propane tanks, which are about what, $5 or $6 a piece, maybe more in some places. So look at this. Let's just take a look at this. This came a day or two ago. I haven't opened it yet. It's still all sealed up in the plastic here. So let's zip that open real quick and see what we have here. This is a little portable gas stove in a kit here. And let's just see. Okay, here we go. Open that up. I'm not sure what brand this is. Does it have a name on the front or anything? Not really. Probably a generic type. So I'm not sure, about that kind of thing. But what the difference is, and this is pretty interesting about this little carrying case that it came in. Okay. Looks to be a little larger than that other stove. But here's the thing. This is the conversion hose to convert this to use these propane tanks, right? But it also uses these little butane cylinders. Now, I'm not sure exactly how or anything yet. I just unboxed it, of course. And so I believe this opens up in a way here. There we go. Sure. And then this butane tank goes right on there. Now, there might be a special way it hooks in there or something. I'm not sure yet, but I'll find out when we actually use it. But that butane tank will just sit right in there, and it close it up, and you have the whole thing in one unit like this. So we're going to try that also this year and see how that works. It's got some controls up in the front here, and like I was mentioning, it has this for conversion so that you can run the propane tank, the same as the other one. But I'm going to see how long these last compared to these. These are only about $2 a piece, maybe $2.50. Half the price of this, less than half in some places. So, you know, that's the reason. And obviously, if this lasts a couple of cookings, say, well, this is worthwhile then because it's easier to pack, it's lighter. You don't have this great big thing to dispose of either. This is just a little aluminum type thing. And yeah, I think we're good to go. So we're going to try this one out. We're going to try out this gopher or whatever it's called again, Kofa yard. And this one here, for gosh sakes, it doesn't even have a name on it. So this is just like a generic type. I can tell right now. Oh, see now this flips around and it goes up in here like this. And then that will hold our plates up here. Yeah, I see that. That was upside down for packaging, or I suppose put back in the carry case. So that's what we're going to do for now. We're going to put that in the carry case and we're going to try that out pretty soon. So we'll see. Like I said, all the things that I've ordered and stuff that I have coming in, we're going to test and we'll be able to get back to you as far as how well they perform. That's the whole idea of actually doing any of this. So, thank you. We'll see you soon.